In this lesson of video editing, we are going to see some basics about how we can use source window here, right? The source panel, right? Right now there is source, no clips, right? So let's collapse our timeline, minus, right? And let's delete these 3 clips, right? Okay, now let's get a video, for example this one, right? At first we directly clicked and dragged this clip here and dropped it, right? Now look, for example this is your project, right? And you need some 5-second or 10-second clip from this video footage, right? From this video footage, let's do icon view, right? And videos from this footage, it's 4 minutes, right? 4 minutes 18 seconds, but you only need a 5-second footage, right, in your this project. So for that you can drag this all 4 minute 18-second video in the timeline, then you make a split and then you delete the waste clips and you only keep 4 to 5-second or 10-second clip here, right? That is the one process. But we have this source panel right here. So what we can do is we can click and drag this video here and we can drop this, right? Notice you have to click in source here and then click the video, drag and drop here. Now we got the video here, right? And let's say for example we want the clip from this point, right? From this point to this point only, right? So you can click this one, mark in, right? Bring the slider to certain position from where you want it, or you call it CTI slider or CTI, your wish, and then make a mark in here. So we want footage from here to here, right? For example, then mark out, right? Mark out. Now if you want audio and video of this section, particularly this section, right? You marked in, you marked out. Now you need this section, this clip, this selected clip here, right? So if you want audio and video, then click in this video right here and drag it to the timeline, right? Drag it to timeline. Look, we got our content here, right? This one. Let's expand the timeline plus. So we got it here, right? And if you need only video clip and not audio, right, from this section, so you can click this one, right? Drag video only. Click, drag and leave here, right? So you notice that there is no audio here, right? For this. Why? Because you only dragged video. Now if you only need audio, then you can click this one, right? Drag audio only and then place it in audio section, right? This audio one. So in this way we can utilize the feature of source panel here, right, to select a particular person from a long video, right? You can get your video clips here. You can mark in, mark out. Then if you want video only, then you can drag this one. If you want audio only, you can drag this one. If you want both, then you can drag from here, right? Okay, this was it for this lesson. Stay tuned for next lesson.